What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the awesome world of robot cell designs. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and these robots are here to shake things up. We're talking about 5 different types of robot cell designs, each cooler than the last. I promise, we'll break down their quirks, their strengths, and what makes them the superstars of the manufacturing world. So buckle up, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and get ready to explore the future of automation right here, right now. First up, we have the heavy lifters. Fixed robot cells. Imagine a robot arm, strong and sturdy, bolted to the floor. It's got one job, and it does it like a champ over and over again. Think welding, painting, or assembling parts with laser precision. These robots are all about consistency and speed. They thrive in controlled environments where the task at hand doesn't change much. And let me tell you, they're the backbone of many industries. Picture a car factory. A fixed robot arm is welding doors onto car frames with perfect accuracy, 24/7. That's the power of a fixed robot cell. Efficient, reliable, and always gets the job done. But hey, don't think for a second that these robots are boring. Underneath that tough exterior lies some serious engineering magic. They use sensors, actuators, and sophisticated software to perform those repetitive tasks flawlessly. Think of it like this: a fixed robot cell is like the drummer in a rock band. They might not have the flashiest moves, but they keep the beat going strong, allowing the rest of the band to shine. They're the unsung heroes of automation, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make our lives easier. And trust me, without them, our world would be a whole lot less efficient. So next time you see a perfectly welded seam or a flawlessly painted car, remember the unsung heroes, the fixed robot cells, working their magic one task at a time. They might be fixed in place, but their impact is anything but stationary. Now let's move on to their more adaptable cousins, the flexible robot cells. Get ready to have your mind blown by the power of reconfigurability. All right, folks, time to meet the quick change artists of the robot world, flexible robot cells. Now, these robots are all about versatility. Unlike their fixed counterparts, these guys can switch things up, adapting to different tasks with ease. Imagine this. You need a robot to handle delicate electronics one minute and then switch gears to package heavy boxes the next. That's where flexible robot cells come in, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at them. They're like the Swiss Army knives of automation, equipped with interchangeable tools and grippers that allow them to handle a wide range of products and processes. Need to swap out a welding torch for a suction cup? No problem. This adaptability makes them perfect for industries where production needs change frequently. Think about small-scale manufacturers who produce a variety of customized products. Flexible robot cells give them the agility to switch between different tasks seamlessly without missing a beat. But here's the really cool part. These robots are smart. They use vision systems and advanced software to analyze objects, adjust their movements, and even learn new tasks on the fly. It's like having a robot apprentice who's eager to learn and can switch between jobs with ease. Talk about a valuable asset to any team. So if you're looking for a robot that can keep up with the ever-changing demands of modern manufacturing, look no further than the flexible robot cell. They're the ultimate team players, ready to adapt and overcome any challenge that comes their way. But wait, there's more. Let's move on to our next contender, the collaborative robot cell, a game changer in the world of human-robot interaction. Get ready to witness the future of teamwork. Now let's talk about robots that are breaking down barriers and working side by side with humans. Collaborative robot cells, or Cobots as we like to call them in the biz. These robots are all about teamwork, designed with safety and collaboration in mind. Imagine this: you're working on an assembly line, and instead of a bulky, caged-off robot, you have a friendly cobot right next to you, lending a helping hand, or should I say a helping arm. That's the beauty of collaborative robots. They're equipped with advanced sensors and force feedback systems that allow them to work safely alongside humans without the need for safety fences. Bump into one accidentally? No worries. It'll stop immediately, preventing any injuries. Cobots are like the helpful assistants you always wished you had. Need someone to lift heavy objects, perform repetitive tasks, or even hand you tools? They've got you covered. This collaboration frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. leading to increased productivity and job satisfaction. It's a win-win situation for everyone. And the best part? Cobots are designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a programming whiz to operate them. With intuitive interfaces and easy-to-use software, anyone can learn to work with a cobot in no time. So if you're looking to boost efficiency, improve worker safety, and create a more collaborative work environment, collaborative robot cells are the way to go. They're proof that robots and humans can work together harmoniously, achieving amazing things. But hold on tight, because we're about to explore the world of mobile robot cells, robots that can roam free and bring automation to a whole new level. Get ready to roll with the punches, because now we're talking about robots that are always on the move. Mobile robot cells. These robots are all about freedom and flexibility, bringing automation to places it's never been before. Imagine a robot that can effortlessly navigate through a busy factory floor, transporting materials or even performing tasks on the go. That's the power of a mobile robot cell. These robots are like the self-driving cars of the manufacturing world, equipped with sensors, navigation systems, and sophisticated software that allows them to move autonomously and safely in dynamic environments. They can zip around obstacles, avoid collisions, and even communicate with other robots and systems to optimize their routes and tasks. It's like having a fleet of intelligent delivery drivers at your beck and call. Mobile robot cells are particularly useful in large warehouses, logistics centers, and even hospitals, where they can transport goods, supplies, and even patients with efficiency and precision. But it's not just about transportation. These robots can also be equipped with robotic arms, tools, and sensors that allow them to perform a variety of tasks on the move. Need to scan inventory, inspect equipment, or even clean floors? Mobile robot cells are up for the challenge. With their ability to go where other robots can't and their versatility in performing various tasks, mobile robot cells are revolutionizing the way we think about automation. And last but not least, get ready to build your dream robot with modular robot cells. And finally, we come to the building blocks of the robot world. Modular robot cells. These robots are all about customization and flexibility, allowing you to build the perfect robot for your specific needs. Imagine a set of robotic Lego blocks that you can mix and match to create a robot that's tailor-made for your unique application. That's the power of modular robot cells. These cells consist of interchangeable modules such as robot arms, grippers, sensors, and bases that can be easily assembled and reconfigured to adapt to different tasks and production layouts. Need a robot for welding? No problem. Simply combine a robot arm module with a welding torch module and a base module, and you're good to go. Want to switch to painting? Just swap out the welding torch module for a painting module and you're ready to roll. This modularity makes them incredibly versatile and cost-effective, allowing businesses of all sizes to benefit from automation. It's like having a robot that can evolve and grow alongside your business needs. And the best part? You don't need to be a robotics engineer to design and build your own modular robot cell. With intuitive software and user-friendly interfaces, anyone can become a robot architect. So if you're looking for a robot that's as unique as your business and can adapt to your ever-changing needs, modular robot cells are the way to go. They're the embodiment of flexible automation, empowering you to build the robot of your dreams. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible types of robot cell designs, each pushing the boundaries of automation and shaping the future of manufacturing. Thanks for sticking with me on this wild ride through the world of robot cell designs. From the workhorse fixed cells to the collaborative cobots and the roving mobile units, we've covered it all. Remember, these robots aren't just cool gadgets, they're changing the game in manufacturing, making things more efficient, safer, and honestly, way more interesting. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the different types of robot cell designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the future of technology.